Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The long wave of creativity, emotions, dreams and sharing generated by the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival, the first Salesian film festival in the world, does not stop. Although the global final evening took place last November 19 in Turin, the flexible organization that characterized the entire course of the festival still allows to realize local editions in which to celebrate the contribution of young people from all over the world to the spread of hope in this era still marked by the pandemic. It is in this spirit that the Don Bosco Secondary School of Nedungadu in Karaikal in the Federated Territory of Puducherry hosted last Tuesday, December 7th, 2021, and even in which some of the 110 finalist shorts were introduced and presented. The main guest of the appointment was Mr. Chandira Priyanka, the Minister of Transport of the Government of Puducherry. The Salesian program for Salmo and the Salesian Technical Institute Ricaldone, both located in San Salvador, capital of El Salvador, have been able to provide nutritional support to young people, families and students thanks to the collaborations that Salesian Missions, the Salesian Missionary Procurators based in New Rochelle in the United States, has been able to tighten with the NGOs Rise Against Hunger and Feed My Starving Children. The food rations made available by Feed My Starving Children were destined to the Salesian Technical Institute Ricaldone, where 1,200 people benefited, including students and members of the local community. The food baskets were delivered to people affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and its consequences to people who suffered damage due to tropical storms, Amanda and Cristobal, and to the most needy students of the institute. Last week, the students of the 6th year of the Salesian Institute, Dom Bosco of Salvador, Brazil, received a video directly from the Vatican made by Father Gabriel Romero, counselor for the America South Cone region. In the video, the counselor greets the students and informs them that he has successfully concluded his mission to deliver the letters they addressed to Pope Francis. On the occasion of his visit to the institute made at the end of October, the regional councillor has been instructed to deliver to the Pope a collection of letters written by the students of the unit visited. These were the product of the lessons of religious education in which the Salesian teacher and trainee Gabriel Ferreira challenged the students to write a letter accompanied by a drawing or free illustration on the theme, How to Build a Better World. Dozens of elaborate writings have been made full of creativity, optimism and that critical sense that is exercised exclusively by children of that age. On December 8, in the National Shrine of Mary Help of Christians, 10 Salesian novices made their first profession in the hands of Father Apolinario Maria Ornai Neto, Superior of the Salesian Vice Province of East Timor, TLS. On December 4th and 5th at the Don Bosco Fatima Event House, the National Meeting of Salesian Missionary Volunteering was held, organized by the head Father Moises Ruiz Rios with the Animator Council and in coordination with the Project Office. The event aimed at relaunching and strengthening the movement was attended by 60 young people from various Salesian works in the country. There were three fundamental moments of the event: the sharing of experiences at international and national level, the presentation of the Salesian Missionary Volunteer Project of Bolivia 2021 to 2026 with a new physiognomy and structure and also presenting its mission, vision and values, the celebration of Mass and the commitment to begin formation and thus go out to the service of one's neighbor. In addition, there was also an opportunity to carry out group work during which the young people expressed their concerns and initiatives. It is the Salesian consecrated identity that is the leitmotif of the second edition of the cycle of in-depth interviews on the programmatic lines following the 28th General Chapter of the Salesian Congregation, cycle organized by the Centro Studi Opera Tapanacoli Viventi in collaboration with the Conference of Salesian Provinces of Italy, CISI, Formation Sector. Last Saturday on this theme, none other than the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime spoke on this theme, and here we provide a summary of his answers. Over 50% of young people do not know about the 2030 agenda and believe that information does not talk about it enough. To say it, the results of the dual research conducted by the Faculty of Social Communication Sciences and UCSI, Catholic Union of the Italian Press, to investigate the knowledge of young people with respect to the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) of the United Nations agenda, and to question the world of mainstream information on the space that is given to it and on the ways in which the issues it poses are addressed. The results of the survey and some insights are published in the volume Thinking About the Future, the 17 objectives of the 2030 agenda seen by young people and told by journalists, curated by Maria Paola Piscini and Paola Springhetti, both professors of the Salesian Pontifical University. The Salesians of the province of St. Joseph, Hyderabad, is gifted with a new provincial in Father Thomas Santiago, a person of the intuitive mind and a cheerful son of Don Bosco, known for his love for the young and the poor. The Rector Major, Reverend Father Angel Fernandez Artime, with the consent of his council, has nominated Father Santiago as the 6th provincial on December 13, 2021 for a period of 6 years from 2022 to 2028. He succeeds Father Thathireddy Vijaya Bhaskar, who ably served the province for 6 years. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.